And what is going on, everybody? My name is Travis, and welcome back to the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. This is where you subscribe for all of the latest Bitcoin and altcoin news and Bitcoin and altcoin price updates and reactions, and occasionally stock news. Now let's get into the juicy topic for today, and let's talk about Elrond Gold, as Elrond has now launched its Maiar wallet, and you can now get the Maiar wallet in your local app store. And this is such an incredible day, as now it is going to make it so incredibly easy to onboard the next billions and billions of people into crypto, as now people are going to be able to get access to their Elrond wallet through their smartphone. And since most people do have a smartphone, it will make essentially sending money as simple as sending a text message. Now, we know how easy it is to, send text messages to your contacts, and that is what this Maiar wallet is going to be able to make so simple, and that is sending money in the Maiar wallet. You'll be able to send and deposit Elrond Gold into your wallet. Elrond Gold is arguably the fastest blockchain out there, as it can process up to 100,000 transactions a second with 6-second latency. And I really love the Maiar wallet, as you want to make it fast and easy and seamless for to onboard the next billions of users into crypto. And the Maiar wallet is user friendly. It makes it very simple. And so to go from the old financial system to the entire big crypto revolution that is upon us, and that is going to transform the world as we know it over the next several years. This is how you want to do it. And so I love what Elrond Gold is doing and what Benjamin has done with the Maiar wallet. So yeah, definitely check it out in your local app store if you haven't done so. I really just love everything that Benjamin and the Elrond Gold team have been able to accomplish so far. Another tremendous milestone is they did reach over $1 billion in market cap. And another huge thing that you have to love about Elrond Gold is that it does combine both Bitcoin and Ethereum economics. And by that we mean, with Bitcoin economics, Elrond Gold has a cap supply of 20.4 million Elrond Gold, just like how Bitcoin has a cap supply of 21 million Bitcoin. And when we say Ethereum economics, we did speak about how many transactions per second, 100,000 transactions a second that Elrond Gold can process. And also it has the smallest transaction fee out there, as you're paying less than a cent per transaction. So that is just incredible. And also with Elrond Gold, you can do staking, so you can stake your Elrond Gold by contributing your Elrond Gold to the network, and you end up earning staking rewards, and your Elrond Gold is able to stay in your wallet. And so that makes it easy should you want to take profits or something, or sell some of your Elrond Gold, or move it to an exchange. It makes it very easy to do so, while also still being able to stake your Elrond Gold. So yeah, Elrond Gold is one of my favorite altcoins that I hold. Not financial advice. I think it's going to perform incredibly well in this bull market. And right now, my price prediction for the crypto bull run of 2021, I think we are going to see Elrond Gold prices of $3,000. And I will let you know if I change that price prediction, depending on anything that could happen in the short term. But right now, the price has been just doing incredible things. So yeah, I wanted to share this with you, everyone, let you know about the Maiar wallet launch. It did launch a couple of days ago. And so with that being said, that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much, everyone, for checking out the video. And if you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it, please smash up that like button. It really helps out the channel a lot, helps out the YouTube algorithm, so that YouTube can recommend this video to to as many Bitcoin and crypto enthusiasts and altcoin enthusiasts out there, and especially to the Elrond Gold community of hodlers and Elrond Gold enthusiasts. I love it. So Elrond Gold, we are on this moon mission together, everyone. Thank you so much, and let me know if you would like down below in the comment section. Love to get your thoughts, perspectives, and reactions to the Elrond Maiar wallet. Have you checked it out? Do you like the easy-to-use features? And do you think it's going to be able to accomplish the goal, which I definitely think so, which is to onboard the next billions and billions of users into crypto? So love to hear your thoughts on everything. And as always, until next time, we'll see you all back here on the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, everyone. Take care and strive for greatness. We'll see you later.